nice and beautiful. And I'm gonna show you guys how you can marinate some chicken wings and cook it off. You know what I mean? You know, the summer, yeah. If we're getting falling outside, chuck it in the oven at home. Look at this. This is some chicken wing. I wash off into some lemon juice or white vinegar. 1 medium-sized garlic, 1 white onion. Secret recipe. The white onion and a medium-sized garlic. Pepper. Mixed herb. And smoke paprika. Alright? Nice and lovely, so just pull it from the oven. Look at that. Beautiful and nice. Looking so lovely. Yeah. And then very cooked. Really well and nice. That's it. 45 minutes in the oven. Then roast off. Enjoy it.